Hello. How's it going, Grim? Mr. Grim? I'm making some tea. The negative part about having noise cancellation headphones is you can't hear the water boiling. Whoops. The celebration hat. What's the celebration hat? This is such a random thing you've just said to me. Celebration hat. Oh! I didn't do that. I'm a terrible gamer. Was it the package you had to buy or something? What does it look like? Please link chat code if possible.
Even the wildlife's unhappy with our little intrusion.
Why do you
Celebration hat.
excited?
Who's gonna kill more scouts than me? Give it your best shot.
Yeah, they sent me a mail about it, but extra lift. They're like, no, you're not allowed to donate anymore. We don't want your money. Oh yeah, this. Is there a hat in this? Hey, I don't think I got this one. No, I didn't care about getting this ugly cat.
Keep the tank moving.
Oh, I already have. You mean this? You mean this thing?
Watch tail.
You mean I don't see a hat in here, man. I mean, I've already have the title. This is a different title. Archivements. Archivements.
Mushrooms. Them
Extra life.
Just putting this out there. Still got
Oh,
that
that's where I
left.
got that from. Okay.
We do this on our own.
Oh, this hat you mean. Okay, I see where you're going through. I see what you mean.
I have a visual on the enemy.
It's your favorite
Snipers to your
hat.
position.
Where was I again? Already lost it. Extra life. Extra. Oh god, this is so laggy. Please upgrade your browser extension, please. The lag is laggy. It'd be lagging, dude.
You know how hard it is to
Alright, I guess we'll buy it. I have enough gems. Okay, I did it. Ah, where am I? I almost jumped off the edge. Alright, I got my extra life swag. Did I get the hat? I didn't get the hat. Oh, I have to return to Lion's Arch. Well, I can't go now. I'm doing some stuff, man.
That's enough.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Why didn't I get an... I think I just got the... I did not get the freaking notification of that. The top
Just what the
tipping.
doctor ordered. Disclaimer, I have no formal medical training.
I heard the achievement, but I didn't see the alert, which is really annoying. There's too many things going on at once. Mommy. Can we make this smaller? No, we can't make it smaller. Let's just... It's fine. I'll just stand here. I don't need to do anything. It's fine. Where's my... Oh. One of your messages got held for review, Krylov. Sorry about that. Yes, the game combat in freaking what's it called? What are we talking about? Black Desert. Yeah, the combat in Black Desert is pretty cool, but the One Piece broad shoulders. What? You mean the cape? One Piece. I don't know. I think that must be YouTube who's Oh, I really don't like shoulder blades, man. It's my least favorite thing. Don't know why. Can't tell you why. I'm just gonna check out the gem storm here. Because Grim wants me to look at everything in the gem store. Shoulder pads.
Just so we're clear, the tank can't swim.
One piece shoulder pads, he says. Oh, my water just finished boiling. It'd be a shame if I had to get up and go get that. Let me go get my... Ah! Hot water. Hot water. Oh yeah. Linked it to. Thanks. Still boiling. Fine. Yeah, it lights up. Well, the raid will be soon, I think. I don't know what I'm doing, a freaking meta event. Yeah, my water cooker, as they call it here in the Dutch, is a water cooker. Lost a piece of sugar. Anyway, just a piece of sugar just disappeared. My water cooker turns blue. It turns blue when you plug it in. Okay, let me actually help these guys with whatever that. Yeah, what Krillov said. Whatever the hell I'm doing. Going AFK and looking at fashion is what I'm doing. Line captain's mantle. Oh, do you get this from doing? Oh yeah. Oh wow. Those are pirate. Those are for pirates, huh? Oh, you put them together, huh? Oh, you know. Okay. Ah! My feelings! Okay, let me actually help with killing this boss here. And all that excitement made me hungry. But I already ate. Should I get fat and eat some more? Oh, such choices.
Where's the reinforcements? They should be here by now.
Let me just fail my... Hey, I heard that they're gonna... The women's magazines are trying to make thickness out of style. So I'm gonna have to lose a bunch of weight, otherwise I'll be hideous.
Tanks in position. Now's our chance to harpoon that thing.
Press 3 to win, and then shoot it with your 1. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew. We're doing it. We're killing the big boy. We did it. Killed the big boy.
Guess we didn't need the flare after all.
Never doubt my mind.
Hell yeah.
Okay?
We're all in one piece.
Well, that was fun. I guess. It was hectic.